Good morning, students. Welcome to Darshan Academy Jalanda. Let's go to grade UKG and see what the students will learn. They will learn N words today and perform different activities. Rhyming words, fill the missing letter. Sentences with finger puppets, fold and learn activity. Learning objectives. Learn to read, write and pronounce N words. Learn rhyming words. Use words in their conversation. U says a, N says no. Together, un, un, un. B un bun, b un bun, g un gun, g un gun, r un run, r un run, n un none, n un none, s un sun, s un sun. Unfamily words sun, run, none, and bun. Students will match the picture with the word. They will recognize the picture and match it with the word. G un gun, b un bun, r un run, n un none, and s un sun. Rhyming words bun, sun, run, fun, none, and gun. They will write the missing letter b, bun, r, run, f, fun, s, sun. They can make their own finger puppets and perform different sentences related to the picture. This is a sun. It is hot. It is yellow in color. It is round. They will perform fold and learn activity. They will take one A5 sheet of their color choice and fold it horizontally and vertically at equal distances. They will cut the four corners and give this shape so that it can be easily folded and write the words. They will fold one first corner and read out the word. Then they will fold the another corner and read out the word. They will speak out the words while folding the third corner, and then they will fold the fourth corner and keep on repeating the words. They can perform this activity and learn the different N sound words. Efforts by Rashmi Walia. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.